Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a Messenger group. Okay, first we will open Messenger. Now click up here. Now select any person. Click up here. Here you can add more people. All you have to do is keep clicking the plus symbol and add as many people as you want. As you can see, the group was created correctly. If we enter it, we will have three options. Add to add more people. Name to change the name of the group. Members to see the list of members, and we can also see the admins. To make a member admin, we have to click once on the member. Then click on Make Admin, and the same to remove it from admins. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.